So why do we even need so many digestive enzymes? Let me know in the comments, how many digestive enzymes do you need to know for your GCSEs? Basically, they're all breaking down different materials, but why do we need different enzymes to do different jobs? The enzymes are specific. This is the problem. They only break down one substrate, and our lock and key mechanism or lock and key model helps to explain that. So, the lock and key model. The first thing we need to know is that there's a very special part of the enzyme called the active site. Now, the active site is different for each type of enzyme. So amylase will have a different active site to proteases, for example. And we could say that the active site is specific. So the first thing we want to say, the active site is specific to the substrate. The substrate is what the enzyme is breaking down. So here our blue molecule is the substrate. Starch, proteins, lipids, they would be examples of substrates. Now, the active site is also complementary to the substrate. Notice how it's not the same shape, it's complementary. They fit together as well. So the active site is complementary. It's a little bit like a lock and a key. A key is complementary to the shape of the lock, and the key is specific to that lock as well. The lock is only going to be opened by that key, and that key is only going to open that lock. The substrate then binds to the enzyme, and this forms what we call an enzyme substrate complex. And this is where the reaction occurs. So the enzyme then breaks down those starch molecules into the product, the glucose. The products are then released from the enzyme, and the active site and the enzyme remains unchanged, which is why the enzyme is able to act as a catalyst and continue to carry out this reaction. It can continue to break down those starch molecules. So there we go. Everything you need to know about the lock and key mechanism explained. This comes up so frequently in the exams. Make sure you give me a follow so you don't miss any other important GCSE biology content.